In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add animation on GoHighLevel page elements. We're going to walk through the exact clicks to add entrance animations to any section or element in the GoHighLevel page builder, and I'll share simple tips to make your motion feel clean and professional. Start by signing into your GoHighLevel subaccount so you're working in the right workspace with edit permissions. From the main navigation, open Sites. Inside Sites, choose Websites. This takes you to the list of sites you manage. Pick the website you want to work on so you can access its pages. Next, open the page you want to animate and click Edit. That launches the page builder where all the design controls live. On the canvas, click the specific section or content you want to animate. You can target full sections, rows, columns, or individual elements like headings, images, and buttons. Selecting the right layer is important, because the animation applies to whatever you have highlighted. With the element selected, look to the Settings panel on the right and open Animations. If you don't see it right away, scroll the panel or expand the collapsed tabs. Click Entrance Animation. Entrance animations play when the element first appears in view, which is perfect for guiding attention as people scroll. Now choose your animation style. You'll see options like Fade, Slide, Bounce, Flip, and more. Fades are subtle and work well for most content. Slides add direction, like sliding in from the left or bottom. Bounces and flips are more playful. Use them sparingly for callouts or CTAs so they don't distract from the message. Next, click Adjust Animation to fine-tune the feel. Here you can control scale, duration, and delay. Scale tweaks how large or small the element starts before settling. A slight scale-up can feel polished without being flashy. Duration controls how long the animation takes. Shorter durations feel snappy, while longer ones feel more cinematic. Delay lets you stagger elements so they appear in sequence, which is great for lists or stacked sections. A quick tip: keep durations in a moderate range and use small delays, just a few tenths of a second, to maintain flow. Also test on mobile, because what feels perfect on desktop can be too slow on a phone. When everything looks good, make sure you save. Use the Save button at the top to commit your changes. It's a good idea to preview the page and scroll through to confirm the timing and emphasis feel right, and that your animations enhance the content rather than overpower it. That's it. You've added polished entrance animations in GoHighLevel, tuned them for style and timing, and saved your work.